Not all AI tools are created equal. In fact, most of them are a waste of your time, your money, and your attention. The AI tool market has exploded in the last 2 years, and with it came an avalanche of shiny apps that promise to revolutionize your workflow but deliver almost nothing. Today, I'm cutting through the noise. I've tested dozens of AI tools, and I'm giving you the honest truth. 5 that will genuinely change how you work, and 3 that are massively overhyped. Let's start with the winners. Number 1. Claude by Anthropic. If you only use one AI tool, make it this one. Claude is hands down the best AI for complex thinking, writing, and analysis. Unlike other AI assistants, Claude handles nuance incredibly well. It doesn't just give you generic answers, it reasons through problems, maintains context over long conversations, and produces writing that actually sounds like a human wrote it. Best use cases: writing first drafts, analyzing documents, brainstorming strategies, explaining complex topics. Free tier is solid. Paid version is worth every dollar. Number 2. Otter.ai. Meetings are time thieves. Otter.ai records and transcribes meetings in real time, then generates summaries and action items automatically. No more typing notes while trying to pay attention. No more, "Can you send me the recap emails?" The time savings are real. The average professional wastes 45 minutes after every meeting writing notes. Otter eliminates that entirely. Number 3. Perplexity AI. Think of this as Google, but smarter. Perplexity doesn't just return links, it reads the sources and gives you a synthesized answer with citations. For research, fact-checking, and staying on top of industry news, it's genuinely faster than traditional search. Where it wins: quick research questions, market overviews, competitor analysis. Where it doesn't win: deep, complex analysis. Use Claude for that. Number 4. Notion AI. If you already use Notion for notes and project management, the AI integration is a no-brainer. You can ask it to summarize your notes, generate action plans from meeting notes, write first drafts inside your workspace, and organize information automatically. The key advantage: it works inside your existing workflow. You don't have to switch apps. Number 5. Make, formerly Integromat. This one's slightly more technical, but worth it. Make lets you build automated workflows between apps without writing code. You can connect your email, calendar, AI tools, spreadsheets, and hundreds of other apps to automate repetitive tasks. The real magic: combine Make with Claude's API, and you can build custom AI automations specific to your work. It's where AI productivity becomes truly passive. Now, for the overhyped ones. And I want to be clear, these aren't bad products, they're just not as transformative as the marketing suggests. Overhyped number 1. AI image generators for productivity. Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, incredible for creative work, but for most professionals, you'll use them twice and never open them again. Unless visual content creation is your actual job, these won't move the needle on your productivity. Overhyped number 2. AI scheduling assistants. Tools like Motion and Reclaim promise to automatically optimize your calendar. In theory, great. In practice, most people find the automated scheduling creates more friction than it solves. Your calendar is personal. AI doesn't know your energy levels, your relationship with certain people, or what kind of meeting drains you. Manual scheduling done quickly usually wins. Overhyped number 3. Industry-specific AI tools. Every week there's a new AI for lawyers, or AI for marketers, or AI for HR professionals. Most of these are just Claude or ChatGPT with a specific prompt wrapper, and they charge you triple the price for it. Before paying for any niche AI tool, try doing the same thing with Claude first. You'll be surprised how often you don't need the specialized version. The bottom line: the best AI tools are the ones you'll actually use. Start with Claude for thinking and writing, Otter for meetings, and Perplexity for research. That stack alone will save you several hours a week. Don't chase every new shiny tool. Build a focused stack that works and go deep on it. That's how you actually get idle gains. Subscribe for more honest AI productivity breakdowns every week. See you next time.